In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. The life of Muslims in the Europe or in any other Western country. Those who are Muslim there in the Western countries, Europe or America, most of these are the people who have migrated from their Muslim origin countries to any of the European or American country. Their first generation, if they have got settled over there, their first generation usually remains somewhat attached with their religion, with their country. And the attachment of the second generation becomes weak and very weak. But some of these people, some of these people, they become true Muslims. Not just a symbolic or a ceremonial relationship with their religion, rather they become totally committed. Because it's not because of their society, but because of the inner voice. Here in Pakistan and the countries like Muslim countries like Pakistan, if at all people are following their religion, they are doing so because of the environment, because of the atmosphere, because of their surrounding, because of the people around, and because of this like reasons. But those living in the Western countries, they don't follow religion because of this, because the atmosphere does not support their religion at all. So usually the distance between them and their religion increases a lot. But some of them get even closer to their religion. There is a very interesting story here in my mind now. A Pakistani migrated, like many other Pakistanis, migrated to UK. Lives there with his family, have certain children. Those children are far from their religion. One of their daughters married to a Sikh man and lived with him for some of the time. Two sons emerged out of that marriage. He became inclined toward the religion. Maybe after the divorce or somewhat prior to the divorce, I don't know exactly. But the divorce did take place between the Sikh man and this lady, a Muslim lady of Pakistani origin. She married him because only because he was far away from her religion. That's why she got wedded to him. Now she was living as a single parent with two of her sons. She became more and more interested in the religion, in Islam. She learned, she practiced. She learned, she practiced, and she started promoting Islam. Created a kind of madrassa over there where both of her sons got the religious education and both of them are Hufaz. Both of them have memorized Quran by heart. She is living there, following her religion, practicing it, promoting it. This became like a motto of her life. And her both sons as well. They are purely religious people. They are not somewhat, like us, neither here nor there. They are the complete followers of Islam. She got wedded again with a Muslim man. again who practices and promotes their religion. They are living a happy life. The good with the Western society is the good with the Western society is that if at all you are following a religion or whatever you are following, you do have to follow it truly. It's not like you are neither here nor there. It's not like you are trying to follow so many things at the same time. It's not like that at all. It's not like that at all. If at all you or someone else is following Islam while living there in a European, in a Western country, they will be the true followers of Islam. No hypocrisy at all. No double rule at all. One single rule. And then obviously once they become a person like this one, follow their religion, they become the true examples and emblem of a true Islamic character. After all, they too are humans and they too might be committing errors, the sins of omission and commission, but largely their lives are lives of a true Muslim. Many of the religious groups are working over there. Some of these are just because of worldly reasons, while another some of these are purely for their akhirah, for the life hereafter. That is something really interesting. As for these people are concerned, who are trying to follow their religion from the very depth of their mind and heart, wholeheartedly, they people are really great. They are a far, far better Muslims as compared to the Muslims living inside the Muslim countries. Thank you.